Speak. What does the town say?
Ang bilis talaga ng panahon, ano, Alvin? Parang kahapon lang, kakasimula lang ng semester, tapos ngayon, holiday season na naman.
Totoo, Ari, ang dami talaga nangyayari ngayong 2025 na parang dumaan sa isang iglip lang. For sure, we've achieved many victories while also experiencing some inevitable failures.
Maraming makaka-relate dyan, pero ang mahalaga, lahat tayo ay patuloy na natututo at nagbabago sa kada dumadating na taon.
Now, Ari, let's go around campus once again as we reflect on 2025 and welcome this coming new year with our fellow Tamaraos. Here in
Tam Speak,
What does the town say?
Every year we experience a lot of things. At sa bawat araw na dumaraan, nakakabuo tayo ng mga alaalang hindi natin malilimutan.
That's why it's natural that as we approach the end of the year, we feel grateful for everything we've been through.
So let's ask our fellow Tamaraos what are they most thankful for this 2025?
Ako, I'm thankful for all the new opportunities and all the new friends that I've made, especially here in FEU. You guys, it was a very hard year, but you guys made it bearable for me. So thank you so much.
I am thankful for all my friends who has helped me pass my subjects and even myself for working hard to get through them.
I'm just thankful for surviving because this whole semester, this whole year was a lot. It's like as students we were being treated like guinea pigs with different like modalities and different schedules, and of course the suspensions, and not just students but teachers are also finding it hard to adapt. So I'm just thankful that I'm still here. And of course, that I still have the privilege to study, especially considering that the tuition fee is increasing. And, you know, it's very expensive to begin with. So, yeah, I'm thankful for all of those. And of course, for my friends.
So for this year, I'm most thankful sa mga friends ko since may circle since first year, since if wala sila here, di ko masa-survive yung SEM nito.
This year, actually, 2025 put me a lot of challenges, but I believe that it's something that I was able to learn and overcome, and it's something that I am very grateful despite of the challenges and adversities. And hence, I'm very grateful and also thankful because it taught me a lot of things, especially in bouncing back stronger and also gaining a lot of experiences and wisdom all throughout this year. And it's something that I will always carry forever and also for a lifetime because it gave me so much experience that I'll be able to use in the future, especially for next year, 2026.
You know, Ari, sobrang thankful ko rin for all the opportunities I got this year, despite the challenges I've faced.
Same here, Alvin. Tunay ngang hinulma tayong lahat ng mga hamon at tagumpay na pinagdaanan natin ngayong taon.
Pero tiyak na sa bawat bagaheng gusto nating iwan, may baon tayong aral para sa bagong taon. Ano kaya ang mga ito para sa mga Tamaraw?
My New Year's resolution, first of all, bumawi sa grades. Hey, just overall be a better student and be a better person. I mean, I'm full of love, pero gusto kong mas may pakita yon sa mga minamahal ko.
For mine, it's pretty much the same thing. To have a better academic experience and of course find more friends to experience FEU with and meet the old ones too, as well as protect my mental health better and hopefully for everyone else as well.
My New Year's resolution is not just to adapt, not just to survive next year, but to feel like I'm thriving. And I think we could thrive by, you know, just like helping our friends, putting more effort into the things that make us happy. Not just in terms of ACADS, but it could be like in our hobbies or stuff. Just be more happy, like achieve the highest level of Maslow's hierarchy of needs. Yeah. Yes, exactly.
My New Year's resolution is to travel more without any worries and sana makapag-focus pa lalo sa studies.
I actually have a lot, especially in terms of my personal interests or personal life. Especially, I want to hike, go beyond further from my limitations, especially going farther, and especially in in terms of my running career. So, I mean, running sa mga fun runs or fun race events. So, that's something that I also look up to, and also it's something that I look forward that will be able to help me in terms of my personal growth. So, it's something that I want to prioritize for next year.
Napakaganda nga ng mga pananaw na narinig natin ngayon, Alvin. Tunay ngang every year is filled with memories and experiences, both good and bad.
While we are waiting for 2026, sulitin natin ang pagkakataon na ito para magnilay, matuto at magbago. Because every new year comes with a chance for a fresh start and the hope for a better tomorrow.
Mula sa FEU Advocate, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon. I am Ariana Montefalcon.
And I am Alvin Dimalanta. At nandito kami hindi lang para makinig, kundi para maging boses nyo rin sa mga usaping dapat bigyang pansin. This is
Tam Speak, What Does the Tam Say?